Welcome to Inside the Process. Today, we'll see how electric cars are built step by step.
Every car starts with raw materials, metal, batteries, and components.
The frame is shaped with precision robots for perfect structure. Batteries are integrated carefully to power the electric vehicle. Motors are prepared and tested before installation. Advanced robotics ensure every component fits perfectly. Chassis move along the line to the next stage. Interior electronics and comfort features are added. Every screen is tested for precision and responsiveness. Robotic systems install doors and windows accurately. Cars are painted with high-quality coatings in clean booths. Wheels, tires, and brakes are fitted carefully. Each car is inspected for safety and quality.
Batteries and electronics undergo rigorous testing.
From start to finish, every step is automated, yet monitored closely. The final inspection ensures perfection before leaving the factory.
And here it is, the fully built electric car, ready for the road.
Every vehicle is built with precision and care. Cars, technology drives efficiency.
Subscribe to Inside the Process to see more amazing factories and how everyday products are made.